Did you know that the air inside our homes is often more polluted than the air outside? Are you tired of living in a toxic environment? In today's video, we'll explore the topic of natural detoxification for your home. Learn about 13 powerful ways to cleanse your living space and create a healthier haven for you and your loved ones. 1. Our first step toward a cleaner home is harnessing the power of plants. They add beauty to your space and act as natural air purifiers, absorbing harmful toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. Some great plant choices include snake plants, peace lilies, and spider plants. Let's bring nature indoors and breathe easier. 2. Keeping your home clean is crucial, and regular vacuuming can help eliminate dust and allergens that accumulate. Remember to focus on areas such as carpets, upholstery, and curtains. You might even decide to get rid of carpets which often contain harmful chemicals and hold onto dust and allergens. Consider making your house a no-shoe zone if you want to take it a step further and avoid bringing in outside stuff. 3. Open those windows and let the breeze flow through your home. It's a simple yet powerful way to release built-up toxins and invite natural ventilation. 4. Ditch cleaning products with harsh chemicals and opt for non-toxic alternatives such as baking soda, vinegar, lemon juice, and hydrogen peroxide. These natural wonders will help you maintain a sparkling clean home without compromising your health. 5. Choose eco-friendly cleaning tools such as microfiber cloths and steam cleaners. Your home will shine, and you'll feel great about your choices. 6. Be mindful of cans and plastic bottles. It's important to be cautious about the materials we use every day. Opt for glass or stainless steel containers instead of plastic bottles to reduce your exposure to potentially harmful substances. Use a water filter if you're concerned about the quality of your tap water. 7. Say no to synthetic fragrances that might be lurking in your home. They can contribute to respiratory issues and even disrupt hormones. Swap out scented candles, air fresheners, and other synthetic products for natural alternatives. 8. Wash bedding and fabric items often to get rid of dust mites and allergens. Create a cleaner, healthier sleeping environment. Sweet dreams are just a wash away. 9. Dust can accumulate quickly and harbor toxins. Instead of simply spreading it around, use a damp cloth to capture dust particles for a thorough cleaning. A little dampness goes a long way. 10. Add a touch of nature's goodness to your home with essential oils. They provide a natural fragrance and offer various therapeutic benefits. Say goodbye to artificial fragrances and hello to a more serene and harmonious living space. 11. Avoid pesticides. They might seem like a quick fix, but they can introduce harmful chemicals into your home. Explore natural pest control methods, such as traps and repellents, to keep unwanted guests at bay without compromising your health. 12. Ditch Teflon-coated pans and revamp your kitchen essentials, especially if they're chipping or peeling. Teflon-coated pans can release toxic fumes when heated, affecting the air quality in your home. Opt for safer alternatives such as stainless steel or cast iron pans for cooking your favorite foods. 13. Get rid of mold using a natural solution of borax and white vinegar. This mixture can help eliminate mold and prevent its return. And there you have it. 13 powerful ways to detoxify your home and create a space that promotes your well-being. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in your living environment. Hope you found these simple tips helpful and inspiring.